Hi, thanks for watching. Bridget Willard here with BridgetWillard.com. I want to talk to you a little bit about marketing. Some people talk about marketing like it's an expense or an investment. Well, it's an expense, kind of like a salesperson. It's a business expense. And a lot of times people come to me desperate, like, if I don't do something right now, I'm going to go out of business. Well, we can help you a little bit, but it might be a little too late. So instead of viewing it as a last resort, oh my goodness, I have to do this right now, view it as ongoing expense for your business. Kind of like website maintenance is for a website. For a website, you don't want to wait until it doesn't load up for a customer to do the updates and the maintenance and adding things and all of that. You don't want to wait for that, right? You want to have somebody who's constantly doing the updates on a monthly basis, who makes sure that everything is still running smoothly, because in tech, things changes in 20 minutes. Everything changes fast, right? So it's super important that you value that as part of your website costs, right? As running your business. And most of my friends in software see it this way. But marketing is the same. So you want to continually put yourself in front of your audience because you have to stay top of mind. Top of mind is really important, okay? Coca-Cola has been advertising for 200 years. They still want you to choose them over Pepsi, right? So you have to kind of like going back to the, coal trains, you gotta shove the coal in. Yeah, the train will keep going for a while if you stop because there is some momentum, there is residual steam in that engine that's, pushing those pistons or whatever, It's like a car, internal combustion. It's going to run out of gas. As soon as it runs out of gas, the spark plugs aren't going to make an explosion. Internal combustion engines need an explosion to move the pistons up. That's what moves the crankshaft so that your wheels can go forward, etc., whatever, right? So marketing should be an ongoing part of your business that naturally flows. That consistency in your marketing is what you should be looking for when you're looking for a marketing agency or a marketing freelancer. For social media, I recommend against hiring an employee because social media isn't a 9-to-5 job. People in our industry, especially WordPress, especially tech, it's global. So, for example, with my clients, I check all of my waking hours notifications. Of course, I schedule things. That's not what we're talking about. But the notifications are going to come when the notifications come. So my clients know I check between 7 a.m. and 10 p.m. And if I wake up, I check then too. So those are some of my thoughts that might help you frame your budgeting when it comes to your business on finding somebody that you can partner with that you trust. It's just like anything. You really want a person that will help you move forward in your business, somebody that you sync with, somebody that you agree with that aligns with your values. Go find that person. It's like getting a good hairdresser, therapist, or massage therapist, or even a nail lady. I mean, however analogy that you want to think. Like I said, I would love to do it. You can check out my pricing on my website. It's all there. But it doesn't have to be me. I can't do all the work, right? Find somebody you trust, and please invest in your own business by caring about your marketing, because those first generation leads will die. You have to keep your business in front of your audience, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Bye.